When we are finding the average rate of change on a graph, we notice they always give us the interval we're looking at. So from -6 to -4. So I want to find x is -6, which is right here, and x is -4, which falls all the way down here on the graph. I want to find the slope from there to there. So I notice it's negative. I can technically count if I want. Now I notice my y's are going by 2, so I'm going to count by 2's. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And my x's are just going by 1's. 1, 2. So my rise was 10. My run was 2. And we already talked about it being a negative. So -10/2. -10/2 simplifies to -5. So my average rate of change was -5. You can also do it in the way we've done the other examples. Make a table. When x was -6, I notice my y is 0, because that point here is -6, 0. When my x was -4, my y was -10. So I can just set it up. How do I get from -6 to -4 on a number line? Add 2. 0 to -10, subtract 10. Change in y over change in x was -10/2, which just like the other one simplified to -5. Try one more example like that. They give us the interval 3 to -8, so those are the numbers I'm worried about. When x is 3, my function sits right there. When x is 8, my function sits right there, so I'm going to notice that it's another downwards line. I can count just like I did before, but I'll notice that these are going by 2's. So 2, 4, 6, 8. My x's are going by 1, so I'm just going to count by 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So change in my rise over my run is 8/5, and I notice it's negative because it's a downward slope. I can also do it the other way. When my x is 3, because that's my interval, my y is 6. When my x is 8, my y is -2. To get from 3 to 8, I add 5. To get from 6 to -2, I subtract 8. So my change in y over my change in x, -8/5. And just like the other one, you can't simplify it, so your final answer is -8/5.